Hello, everyone. Welcome to another episode of our podcast. I'm Umesh, and today we're exploring how Google Cloud is revolutionizing the way businesses operate. From cutting-edge AI and machine learning to powerful big data tools, Google Cloud is driving innovation and efficiency across industries. Joining me to dive into this topic is our AI co-host. How's it going, AI?
Hi, Umesh. I'm excited to discuss how Google Cloud's technologies are transforming businesses. With its suite of AI, machine learning, and big data tools, Google Cloud is empowering companies to innovate, optimize their operations, and scale like never before. Let's get into it.
Segment 1: Google Cloud's AI and machine learning capabilities.
Let's start with AI and machine learning. Google Cloud offers a range of tools and services in this space. AI, can you give us an overview of how these capabilities are helping businesses?
Certainly. Google Cloud provides several AI and machine learning services designed to make advanced technologies accessible to businesses of all sizes. For example, Google Cloud AI includes tools like Actionable, which allows users to build custom machine learning models without needing deep expertise in data science. Additionally, services like Vertex AI streamline the development and deployment of machine learning models, enabling businesses to harness AI for various applications from predictive analytics to natural language processing.
And the impact of these tools can be significant. Businesses can use AI to gain insights from data, automate processes, and even create new products and services. For example, Actionable can be used for everything from improving customer service with chatbots to enhancing image recognition in security systems.
Segment 2: Big Data Tools and Solutions.
Moving on to big data, Google Cloud offers some powerful tools for managing and analyzing large datasets. AI. How are these tools empowering businesses to handle their data more effectively?
Google Cloud's big data solutions include Biggery, a fully managed data warehouse that allows businesses to run super-fast queries on large datasets. With Biggery, companies can analyze petabytes of data in real time, gaining actionable insights quickly.
Another key tool is Dataproc, a managed Spark and Hadoop service that simplifies the processing of large-scale data.
Biggery is especially impressive with its serverless architecture, which means businesses don't need to manage the infrastructure. They can focus on analyzing data and generating insights without worrying about scaling or performance issues. Dataproc, on the other hand, offers flexibility and cost efficiency for processing and analyzing data using familiar open-source tools.
Segment 3: Real-world applications and success stories.
It's always great to hear how these tools are being used in the real world. AI, can you share some success stories of companies leveraging Google Cloud's AI and big data tools?
Absolutely. One notable example is Spotify, which uses Google Cloud's Biggery to analyze massive amounts of user data to personalize music recommendations. By leveraging BigQuery's fast query capabilities, Spotify can deliver tailored playlists and song suggestions to users, enhancing their overall experience. Another example is eBay, which utilizes Google Cloud's machine learning capabilities to improve its search functionality and product recommendations. By using Actionable and Vertex AI, eBay can offer more relevant search results and personalized recommendations, boosting user engagement and satisfaction.
These success stories highlight the transformative power of Google Cloud's tools. By harnessing AI and big data, companies can not only improve their operations, but also deliver more personalized and efficient services to their customers.
Segment 4: The future of AI and big data with Google Cloud.
As we look to the future, what can we expect in terms of advancements in AI and big data with Google Cloud? AI, what trends and developments should businesses be aware of?
The future of AI and big data with Google Cloud looks promising. We can expect advancements in areas such as explainable AI, which aims to make machine learning models more transparent and understandable. Additionally, innovations in edge computing will enable real-time data processing closer to where data is generated, improving response times and reducing latency. Google Cloud is also focusing on enhancing its AI tools to support more complex and diverse applications, from advanced natural language understanding to improved computer vision capabilities. These developments will further empower businesses to leverage AI for new and emerging use cases.
And with the continued evolution of these technologies, businesses will have even more powerful tools at their disposal to drive innovation, optimize their operations, and stay competitive in a rapidly changing market. And that wraps up our episode on the power of Google Cloud, transforming businesses with AI and big data. We've explored how Google Cloud's AI and big data tools are revolutionizing industries and helping companies achieve new levels of efficiency and innovation.
Thanks for having me, Umesh. It's been great discussing the impact of Google Cloud's technologies and how they're shaping the future of business.
Thank you to our listeners for tuning in. If you found this episode insightful, be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more discussions on the latest tech trends and innovations. Until next time, keep innovating, stay informed, and embrace the power of Google Cloud.